Okay guys, I don't want to be out here too long because it's nasty, but I got an awesome tip today from a friend that they saw them throwing these out at Dollar General. It's snowing like crazy and disgusting out, but they threw all kinds of stuff out. I'm not going to record much because I just want to get this stuff and go, but look at that, Elmo. So in other words, they threw out their penny items, and there were plenty of them apparently. Turtles. So I'm going to be digging for a while probably because it is pretty snowy, so there's snow covering like everything. So you can't see what is thrown away, but thank you for that tip. Amazing, amazing. So we're going to be digging for a while, guys. Don't know how much this is going to even let me record, so I guess we'll try to record what we can. At some point, it's going to not record, and you guys will just get a reveal later. There's, that's all flip-flops that was in that box, so that's cool. Weird thing to be finding right now, but... acid reducer. Eggs. Not even Easter yet, guys. Again, we're finding an Easter. How crazy is that? More stuff down there. How fun. How fun. I really appreciated this tip, though. 3D puzzle. These are some amazing little things in here. So they cleared out their penny items and threw them away today, apparently. Probably figuring with there's snow, no one's coming out dumpster diving, I don't know. So I'm excited about this little haul that we're being blessed with. I'm going to dig more in spots that... I know that stuff had been discounted. I remember seeing that in a penny page. Hello everyone, we're back home. And thanks to that awesome tip, I found bizarre findings for the middle of a snowstorm, a blizzard. I did probably leave stuff behind. I can pretty much tell you now, I guarantee I left stuff behind. There was probably a good 6 to 7 inches worth of snow on top of everything. It was 9 degrees for a high. Real feel was probably close to like -14. It was still snowing, and it was cold. My fingers, even with the gloves on, were getting pretty cold. My feet, because I was standing in snow that was up to almost my knees, my feet and legs were getting pretty cold. I had to call it quits. I could have gotten into the dumpster and made it a lot faster, but it wasn't a smart move, I didn't think. Not with how much snow was around, how easily I could have fallen and slipped, and no one was there to help. If I would have injured myself, broken a leg, injured to the point where I couldn't get back up, there was no one that was going to find me. My husband eventually maybe would have found me. He kind of knew where I was at. That was if he was awake, because he did say he was probably going to sleep soon when I left. So, middle of the night, cold like that, not many on the road to begin with. Not a good idea to get injured and possibly stranded in that frigid cold. So, I just went from the outside with the grabber that's seen much better days, and searched through snow that was very deep and hard to get through. So, this is what we got. Let's dig in. First, there's this basket that was laying to the side that I went ahead and just grabbed. It was laying against the dumpster. There's some of these Russell Stover sugar-free turtles, basically. There's a couple of those. So, those will be yummy. As I said when I was digging, and I don't know if it was recorded because my camera ran out of space, all of the college appeal some of it went on a penny item recently. So these are penny items that were thrown out. This one's missing the top, but still a nice little cup. There's some cowtails. Some more of these. Peel off mask. So there's a mask. Didn't even know I got that. Some Andes mints. We got a couple of these little mini bunnies. Bunny. Some swimmers. Not swimming right now. There's a box of sandwich bags. Some more cowtails. There's more bunnies. We got a couple different colored little bunnies. See, now this one's got the full cup. Dollar General original price $5 it says. But it's another similar. It's not the same cup, I guess. It's similar. Some crunchy sour crawlers. There's this, which Aloha Vanilla. My husband will like that. Vent clips. Some more cowtails. And something I love. Limited edition Rice Krispie treats. Okay, now I'm curious. It says SpongeBob limited edition. What's limited edition about Rice Krispie treats? Unless they made these SpongeBobs. I gotta look. Oh, so it's not SpongeBob's face isn't on it, but they did the wrappers as SpongeBob. That's cute. So, that's what's in that basket. I did also get a hitch cover that was another Indiana University. That one fell out of the box in the other room, and I'm not going to go grab it. You guys saw me pull it out, I believe, in the video. Another crazy thing, we're celebrating Easter again. We have once again gone into Easter with egg dye kits. So there's some of these 24 karat egg dye kits. There's a couple of those. There's some color drops. There's two of the mermaid ones. And then there's this galaxy egg. So my kids will be thrilled that we can color some eggs at no cost to me. I like that. We got Elmo, which is very cute. How could they throw Elmo away? We've got some gift bags, and these ones were not too badly damaged. They were still usable. Very cute little dog Christmas gift bags. There's some more mermaid egg dye. And more galaxy egg dye. This is weird, Battle Thumbs, 98 tattoos, Ninja Turtles. Basically got Ninja Turtle tattoos. We got some acid reducer tablets. Lots of those. Got all kinds of those. There's more. There's some Ready Set Gorgeous. Oil-free shine control, some makeup. Another little bunny. There's two of these glow-in-the-dark fun glasses. Those are fun. There's this 3D space puzzle, which is kind of cool. Then we've got a sippy cup. Indiana University sippy cup. We got a blue bunny. Got more cowtails. Some nicotine patch. Some acid reducer still. Some Risen chewy chocolate caramel. This I almost left behind because I thought it was empty until I realized it's a 2-count necklace pack. Which, if I can get the other one down there. There's little ice creams. Those are cute. Some more turtle things. There's some fruit slices, Sweet Smiles. Some more cowtails and some more of those Risens. We got some of these, which I was so excited at first. My kids will still be excited. I thought they were Slim Jims, but they are not. They are instead Nerd Ropes. More Risen. Got some king-size white chocolate Reese's. Yeah, Mama's favorite. More acid reducer. Now, this is Yankee Candle. Oh, that's an air freshener that can get hung in the car. All Day Nourishing Smoothies. This is lip care. Some more lip care. And a little laying down bunny. And another blue bunny. Then this is the crazy one. We've got flip-flops. Flip-flops galore. Just tons of flip-flops. Kid sizes, adult sizes, decorated, non-decorated. All of the dollar flip-flops. There's just one after the next. A whole big, like this whole box is legitimately flip-flops now. So, crazy thing to find in the middle of a snowstorm is all these flip-flops. It's just crazy to find. And there's got to be, I'd say at least 40 or 50. They're all the dollar flip-flops. They had to have pennied out long ago. They must have been back in their stock room and they were clearing out stock and went, ooh, look, something that's not supposed to be here. So, that's a cool find though. These are a nice little find. I don't even know a little kid that small that can wear that type of flip-flop. But, nice little find. Copper Tone seems to be the main brand. There's some cute little ones. I used to buy, these are the $2 ones, or 2 for $3. I used to buy these all the time. But I started realizing it was hurting my feet more by wearing them. So I started buying better flip-flops. So, I don't really use these kind anymore. But I know plenty of people that do. So, I'm grateful I got that tip. I'm grateful I was able to save these from going to the landfill. And now I've just got to relocate them. Hope you guys are staying blessed. Many of you are experiencing whether you've never experienced Texas, for example, or haven't experienced it often. I hope the power is coming back on. I hope you guys are staying warm. Hope you guys are staying safe. Be careful on those roads. If you're not used to this, it's treacherous. It was pretty treacherous by me yesterday. We got probably around 13 inches of snow and frigid temperatures. So, it's not fun. Stay safe, guys. Stay blessed. Stay kind. You just never know what anyone's going through. And we'll catch you on the next one.